Welcome to Technology Trends. Motorola's iconic Razr is back for 2025. Forget flap phones, it's Flip Phone 2.0. Let's dive in. Mid-range foldable aiming to balance style, usability, and affordability. Powered by Snapdragon 8's Gen 3, paired with 12GB RAM plus RAM boost and 256GB UFS 4.0 storage. Compact, well-built frame with IP48 dust and water resistance, and a refined hinge mechanism. Main 6.9 inches AMOLED foldable, 2640x1080 resolution, 413 pixels per inch, up to 165 Hz refresh, peak brightness approximately 3000 nits. 4.0, external cover screen, fold, 1272x1080 resolution, 165 Hz, also bright and vibrant. Pantone validated colors, titanium reinforced hinge, sleek in hand feel. Snapdragon 8's Gen 3, Adreno 735 GPU, delivers flagship caliber speed. Moto AI features, like on-device LLM support and Gemini integration, run smoothly. Real-world benchmarks show comfy multitasking and gaming, though thermals can throttle under load. Triple 50 megapixels rear cameras, wide, ultra-wide, telephoto, versatile performance. Covers all essentials, though low light isn't flagship perfect, but better than earlier Razr models. Battery life offers all-day use in real-world tests, though power users may need a top-up. 68W wired plus 30W wireless, fast refill in under an hour. Yes, if you value compact foldable design, display quality, and fast charging at around $999. Maybe pass, if you're a camera nerd, heavy gamer, or require long-term update support. Subscribe and click the bell. We'll drop a full video review once the phone launches globally.